Yeah, a big, strong jobs number has some forecasters thinking, David, that momentum is building in the jobs market. And there could be more big numbers yet to come. Here are the numbers. David gave you the top line, 943, 100,000 better than consensus, with 120,000 added in revisions from the last 2 months. Unemployment rate, 5.4%. 2 ticks better and a post-pandemic low, or maybe it's currently still the pandemic. Average hourly earnings up 0.4%. That's 1 tick better as wages continue to surge. Labor force participation, that's 61.7. It's up a tick, but still depressed from where it was in February 2020. The idea that many workers remain on the sidelines and could come back in the fall, that's behind the optimism for the rest of the year, depending upon the impact of the Delta variant. With Kathy Bastiancic from Oxford Economics writing this morning, assuming the variant doesn't force renewed containment measures, we maintain our positive labor market outlook for the second half and foresee the economy recouping over 7 million jobs this year. Here's where the jobs were, and big time in leisure and hospitality, 380,000. Local education, that was a bit of a statistical quirk, a seasonal anomaly, because there weren't a lot fired, so a lot weren't seen as coming back, or there weren't a lot hired, so there weren't a lot seen as fired in the summer. Healthcare coming back, the doctor's offices are open, folks go visit. Manufacturing doing well. And there's movie and sound recording studios. They're back, I guess, +1 for Faber, doing Jeopardy. Food, let's take a look more closely at the leisure and hospitality rebound. Restaurants, bars, adding 253,000. Hotels, they're back in business. And rock and roll, concerts, everything else going on there, plus 53,000. The unemployment rate declined so much because of a massive decline in the number of unemployed Americans, many of whom may have been called back in the resurgent leisure and hospitality business. Big numbers like these, with perhaps more to come, sure to amplify calls for the Fed to ease back its monetary policy stimulus sooner rather than later, folks.